Good morning to all. I am Prashant Jain, going to teach you about linear equation in two variables. Today you will learn about basics like what is equation, its branch like linear equation, and its subdivisions like in one variable and two variables. Definitions, general form, and general solutions. So let's start. What is equation? In mathematics, an equation is a statement that asserts the equality of two expressions. An equation is written as two expressions connected by an equal sign. The expression on the two sides of the equal sign are called the left hand side and right hand side of the equation. Now, what is the linear equation? An algebraic expression of degree 1 when equated to 0 is called linear equation. Its some examples are x plus y equals to 7, and another example is 2x plus 7 is equals to 9. Next example is x plus y plus z is equals to 12. You will see that in all the equations as degrees 1, so this is linear equation in two variables, degrees 1, so this is linear equation in one variable. In this example the degrees are 1, so this is the linear equation in three variables. Now we are seeing the general form. General form of linear equation is a1x1 plus a2x2 plus a3x3 plus up to enxn is equals to b. Now when we are going to shift the b from right hand side to the left hand side, this will look like this form, and this is the general form of linear equation where a1, a2 up to an and b are the constants, or you can say that the coefficients, and these all are the real numbers, and the remaining x1, x2 up to xn are the variables involved in the equation. Now, what is the linear equation in one variable? Linear equation means, as we already see, that degree 1, and one variable means involving the one variable only from any of the alphabet from A, B, C up to Z. Now the general form of the linear equation in one variable is ax plus b equals to 0, and its general solution is, if we are going to shift the b from right to left, it will ax is equal to minus b, and the value of x is minus b upon a. Now let us see an example. An example is 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. So now 3x is minus 2 when we are going to shift 2. So x is minus 2 upon 3. This is about the linear equation in one variable. Now what about in two variables? Two variables means the same thing, 2 out of a, b, c up to z. Now like a, x or y, y or z, and so many things. And linear equation is when the degree is 1, and its general form. Now we'll see the general form. a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus b is equals to 0. Therefore ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, which you see the general equation in your textbook, and the above equation is derived from the general formula. Now the thing is, one equation, if you have the one equation in two variable, then it has infinitely many solutions. How can we say that? As we are putting the value of different values of x, we get the different values of y. It means there are infinite values of x in the real number system, so infinite values of y we will get. So all points makes infinite number of solutions. Now let us see some different things about the linear equation in two variable. As you see in the graph paper, this is the x-axis and this is y-axis, and the where it intersects, it is the origin. We mark some points on the axis, on the x as well as on the y-axis. Now, first of all, the basic thing is that the equation of x-axis. What is the equation of x-axis? And the equation of x-axis is y equals to 0. What is the equation of y-axis? The equation of y-axis is x equals to 0. Now, if the equation parallel to x-axis, if a line is parallel to x-axis, what is the equation? Equation is y is equals to plus minus a. And if we are talking about the equation parallel to y-axis, this is x equals to plus minus a. What is the a here? A being any real number. Thank you friends. Bye bye.